Now to set up our Arduino board with our firmware. The Blue Eagle Labs website has the Marlin firmware for your Arduino board available for download. Once you've downloaded it, you want to open up your Marlin firmware by going to File, Open, go to the location of your download, and in your Marlin folder you will open up the marlin.ini file. Now you want to make sure your Arduino board via the USB is plugged into your computer. Once it is plugged in, you want to go to Tools, Board, Arduino Mega 2560 or Mega ADK option. Then go to Tools, Serial Port, and you will choose which USB port your Arduino board is configured on your computer. Now you're ready to verify and to upload your firmware to your Kossel Clear. Now if in the future or currently if you are wanting to add a fan to your Kossel Clear, you do need to change the default setting on your Marlin firmware to enable that function. Now by default, your Marlin firmware will be set up as a number 34 board, meaning that your power outputs are set up for extruder 0, extruder 1, and bed. Now if you want to add a fan function, you would want to have it set up for a 33 style board. So your power outputs have the extruder, fan, and bed option. Now to change that, down here below these option numbers for your board, you want to define your motherboard as a 33. Now the default is going to be 34. So you can either leave it as a 34 or change it to 33. Once you've made that change and you're prepared to verify your firmware, you're going to go up to this button here with the check mark to verify it. You'll get the message that it's compiling the sketch at the bottom. And basically what it's processing at this point is confirming that your firmware options are all set up properly and that you don't have any issues with your sketch, which is your firmware. If you get a done compiling message, that means everything is correct and there are no problems. Now if it gives you a different message, it'll tell you down below where the configuration issue is. But if you're just using the basic download from the website, you should not have any issues. Now at this point, we want to upload. So we will press the upload button, which is the button with the arrow. And again, it will compile the sketch. And once it's done compiling the sketch, it will upload it to your Arduino board. Once it says uploading, you'll notice that the LED on your RAMPS board will begin to blink. When it's done communicating with your Arduino RAMPS board, the blinking will cease and you'll get a message confirming that the upload was complete. Done uploading. Now if you had the LCD option for your Kossel Clear, you will notice the LCD will have a message that the Kossel Clear is ready. Other than that, you are done configuring your board and you are ready to begin printing.